Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to create custom fields and value for the specific partners into partner form using this Dev Partner Custom Fields module via customers. You can easily see here our module Dev Partner Custom Fields. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales. Go to customer, go to anyone like Deco Addict and see here this custom fields and here field like name and add here value like Deco. Let's save. Now second one is age and add value 35. Save. Now see here this menu partner custom fields. Go to fields menu and see here name and age. I did created. Open. Also display in form view. Now go to age. If you want to change each type, so easily change. Now go to these values and easily see here in list view. Partner name is Deco Addict, created custom fields, types and added value. Also see in form view. Now I did change is type float, so easily value is displayed here 0. Now again set 40 and save. Thank you.